Tired of web browsers that just don't cut it? Let's get Microsoft Edge running smoothly on your Windows 10 PC. First, ensure your Windows 10 is up to date. Click the Start menu, then the Settings icon. It looks like a little gear. In the Settings window, select Update and Security. Now, click Check for updates. Let Windows download and install any available updates. This is crucial for Edge compatibility and performance. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient while Windows does its thing. If you have an older version of Edge already installed, this update process will likely upgrade it to the latest Chromium-based version. If you don't have Edge, skip to the next step. If you don't have Edge, let's head to the Microsoft Store. Type Microsoft Edge into the search bar. Click on the Microsoft Edge listing, and then click the Install button. Once the installation is complete, Microsoft Edge will automatically launch. Take a moment to customize your settings, import bookmarks from other browsers, and choose your preferred search engine for a truly personalized browsing experience. That's it. You're now set up to enjoy a faster, more secure, and feature-rich web browsing experience with Microsoft Edge on Windows 10. Happy surfing!